my take,
like you
say,
say,
he wants my take on it. Yeah. I feel like rappers themselves, they're not real rappers. We deal with rappers that are not real to the core. It's a nigga who's gonna tell you I'm whipping in a certain the liars, the ones that tell you that I'm driving a rave, the money. You see, right now we're experiencing it, right? 4 years later from here, we're gonna be like asking ourselves, my man, what happened?
Yeba fethu. Yabona-ke la uJoseph is cooking. Uyapheka la. Is cooking. Even though na-ke ngingazofaka amagama ama-artist mina, but into engayitsho ukuthini bafethu ukuthi yekelani ukwenza umculo wamanga. Because umculo wamanga, yes, from now singakubona ngathi ukhulu yonke la way, but in years to come thina sokubuza ukuthi manje ivala uNtoma okhuluma ngayo fethu yabo. Because iqiniso bafethu abantu abaningi like kumculo wabo in general they talking lies. Abenza umculo based to their true story of life. Benza umculo obukeka begrand yonke lando illusion and what yangithola. If bikhona abasebenzele, I think basebenzele states ayila. Lana bafethu sikumother earth, lana sikhuluma ivari la. Yangithola if la kulala ungadlanga uyazi uthi lale ngadlanga bafethu, but I'm still trying to make it to this industry. Angasuhleke instead sokusupport because we understand ukuthi ishila ushilila lengadlanga. Eyibona nto le. But mazothi yazini mina I'm living in this mansion no. Uzobambeka uzogaxela. Ngiyangithola ikhona yathi endiyaziyo nje wale ngelithi igama layo. Athi thenga imention, ama-fans waya ijabulela. Mama isikhathi yavele yathi ukuthi hayi namanga. Yavele ukuthi namanga. Ayithekanga lutho manje la merentile. Uyayibona? Because bakhona abakwazi usearch ezwelezi ukuthi apartment endaweni esona soyithengiwe na ukuthi irentiwe meke irentiwe lo muntu lo akayithenganga. So bafethu kanphila kamanga. Nizenza ama-biddies or ama-influencer lawa amantombazana phaa ku-IG yangithola ngoba lo life yamanga izokubamba kusasa izokuthwara usane. So just live a real life, focus uphushe uzoba grand. As long usebenza nzima uzoba grand. And it's one of the things ngithanda ngama-artist amapiano. Ama-artist amapiano ngeke ukwazi ukhomenta ezibhedayo, but bakhona labo ke ababhedayo, but bakhona laba fethu ozwayo ukuthi yabo lo ukhomenta eqondile, lo ukhuluma ngaye nje andiyazi into ayifuna la, ufuna into kanje. Ngiyabona asungumuntu obhizi ukhomenta ezingekho.